everyone, this is Tara and I am back again with one more unboxing. But today the unboxing is not of a regular bag. Today I'm gonna unbox the mother of all bags. Yeah, you got me right. Today I'm gonna unbox a Birkin bag. This is my first Birkin bag, you guys. So before that, I would like to give you all a big thank you and lots of love to watch all my unboxing videos. I unbox mostly bags and jewelry pieces, so we have made it, you guys. So I am back today with the Birkin unboxing. This Birkin bag is almost the dream of every girl, and today I have fulfilled mine. So as always, I thought to share the joy with you all, my beautiful YouTube family who has been watching all my bags unboxing videos. So without further ado, let's go and do the unboxing. So the bag is in this packet. So I have built two items together during my purchase of the Birkin bag, and the first item is here in this box. So I bought this from the Hermes boutique in India, and this is the jewelry item which I build with my bag. So if you know you have to build two items and then you have to make a purchase history, but I won't mind that as long as I love the pieces. And so first let's go and do the jewelry unbox. What jewelry piece I got from an Hermes. So are you guys excited for me? And I'm happy for you all as well because I love you all. So we are unboxing my first Birkin with you all. So let's go and see which jewelry item I got along with my bag. So the jewelry comes in this packet, and voila, here you go. There it is. So this is the CDC bracelet, you guys. It has some pave diamond here. So this CDC bracelet come in three different variation. One is full gold, and then other is the pave diamond on the side, and one is pave diamond completely till here. Oh sorry, four variation, and another is complete diamond. So I got myself with the pave diamond here and here. And you guys, this bracelet is so expensive. This is way too expensive than the new love bracelet, the new love flexible bracelet. So the bracelet look like this, but this is a gorgeous bracelet, but too expensive for a jewelry piece. So this is my fine jewelry which I build with my bag. So now let's go and do the unboxing of my bag, you guys. So the journey has been beautiful. So I was offered two Birkin before. One was green, another was yellow. So but I denied those color because I was looking for black, the it color, because I wanted my Birkin in black, rose sakura, and any beautiful red. So red, I did not had any hope that I'll get red. So I was hoping for black, etude. Maybe if etude also, I would have said yes. All the neutral like black, etude or gold. But red is my favorite color, and I was not even hoping. One day I got a call from my SA that would you like to come and see. Okay, before that she already shared the picture with me. So when I saw the picture, I immediately went to the boutique and I said yes, I am buying this piece. So finally I got a color which satisfies my heart, and I'm so happy with the purchase because I did not compromise on the color. So yeah, so the bag comes in this packet. So let's go and remove. It's quite heavy, you guys. There it is. So these are the invoices. So here the bag you have to purchase in your own name. You cannot do company or GST billing like Rolex. So the quota bags or any other bag in Birkin, you have to do your billing in your personal name. No company billing will do. So yeah, this is the unboxing of my first Birkin bag. Let's go and see which color I got, you guys. And the size is 25, perfect size. I wanted size 25 and 30, not 35 and 40. I am not that kind of girl who like 35 and 40 size in Birkin. So my sizes are basically 25 and 30. So let's go. Drum roll, please. So this is the big reveal, you guys. Ta-da! Okay, I dropped that box. So here we go. So the packaging look like this. So I'm sharing the joy of unboxing with you all. Thank you so much, you guys, for always loving me. So here is the reveal of my first Birkin, and that too in a very, very beautiful color, you guys. Look at this color. So this is the Birkin 25 in Swift leather, you guys, and the color called Rouge du Coeur. That means red of heart in French. The meaning of this color is red of heart. So Rouge du Coeur is the name of the color. So let's go and have a closer look. So this is how the bag opens, and voila. So the bag is size 25 and hardware is palladium and the leather is Swift, you guys. So this is how it opens, and yeah, I'm very much happy with the color. I never compromised on the color. I got one of the most beautiful colors. So now the journey of collecting Birkin bags has started for me. So lots of more Birkin bags gonna come in my channel. So this is how you remove this. So inside, I'll show you the inside of the bag. Inside you have one inner zip compartment, and the leather is called the Swift leather. So Birkin, if you know about Birkin, Birkin comes in various leather: Togo, Swift, Messer, Shiva, Alligator. So this is the Swift leather, you guys, and this is how the bag looks from inside. So let me try to open this as well. So the official unboxing of my bag is done with my beautiful YouTube family. So in coming video I'll make what fits in this bag. Do let me know in the comment, you guys, how you like this color. And yeah, so at the down it has 4 feet. The hardware is palladium, the leather is Swift, and the size is 25, and the name of the color is resonating with me because the name itself is so beautiful, red of heart. So yeah, this was a quick unboxing, you guys. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Lots of Birkin unboxing gonna come, and thank you so much for all the love and support. So yeah, this bag does not come with any strap for crossbody. The handles are also very tiny for the crook of your arm. So this is just a statement piece. You are just carrying a Birkin and going to places. Thank you so much, you guys, for dropping by, and bye all. I'll see you in my next video. Drop me comment if you have any questions. Bye.